There are numerous ways to look at the nature that surrounds us and get inspired. Biomimicry has been a key component of some of the major technological advances we see today. Similarly, Terraplanter is a nature-inspired technology which gives the best possible solution for plants to survive the indoors. This planter is the right product if you ever worry about overwatering or underwatering your precious plants. You are watching Ecosnookie, and please subscribe to this channel to watch more interesting energy, nature and sustainability related videos during release itself. Hydroponics isn't a new science. It's basically the ability to foster plant growth without soil. Combining the idea of hydroponics and the concept of porous material was the key. They created a proprietary ceramic material that has just the right amount of porosity and hygroscopic tendencies to allow water to diffuse through the material and allow the plant to grow on the surface of the material. You can use nutrient-rich water to grow plants anywhere, indoors, in deserts, on the International Space Station. However, it's always been a slightly complex and apparatus-intensive practice that just isn't a practical thing to do unless it's absolutely necessary, like in a desert or a space station, until now. The Terraplanter allows a wide variety of plants to vertically grow on its textured surface using just water. Its innovative design provides exactly the right conditions needed by plants to grow without soil, and its porous clay construction ensures that plants are never overwatered or underwatered. The Terraplanter comes in an inverted conical format and stores water inside, while the plant grows on the textured vertical walls of the outer surface. The Terraplanter, however, isn't a single planter. It's in fact a cluster of 1,400 tiny planters that let you grow nearly hundreds of plants in on the same pot, like a micro farm. Think of each one as a miniature planter. They hold the seeds during the germination phase and act as textured walls for roots to latch onto when the plant has fully grown. These cells leach water from inside the planter, supplying them in precise quantities to the plant outside, so your plant always gets the exact right amount of water it needs. Not only does this mean you never have to worry about soil, aeration, or fertilization, you literally don't need to worry about watering your plant either. Just fill the Terraplanter's inner reservoir with enough water, and the porous terracotta surface actually does the job of distributing water to each plant individually and effectively. Planting on the Terraplanter is pretty easy too. Instead of worrying about trivial things like the right soil type, or accurate seed spacing, or even how deep the seed needs to be in the soil, the Terraplanter just requires you to make sure the seed, spore, or the plant is in contact with its outer wall. You could rub spores on its outer surface, place seeds in its textured cells, or even wrap an existing plant's roots to it with a rubber band. Once the plant's roots self-adhere to the Terraplanter's parametrically textured outer wall, you're set. All you need to do then is make sure the reservoir is always filled with water and that it's kept in a place where it gets enough light. The best part is that Terraplanter is made from natural materials and it is 100% reusable. This makes it an incredible method of curbing your carbon footprint. Is Terraplanter the only option available today? It's not. There are other eco-friendly options, but none quite like Terraplanter. If you want an eco-friendly vessel that waters for you and lets you revel in the wonder of our ecosystem, though a bit costly, Terraplanter is a great choice. If you loved the Chia Pet as a kid or even as an adult, the Terraplanter provides the eco-friendly version with endless growing options and the chance to recycle and reuse it.